Hello, hello, hello. This is Els coming to you from Beamish Crafty Corner. And I went on a scavenger. I did. It took Hubber. It's Tuesday, and on Tuesday I make the Hubber go scavenger. Not one of his favorite things, but I make him do it anyway. Why? Because I can. Because I'm mean, and I make him go. Um, so, no, he likes to go scavenger. Don't even let him make you think he doesn't. He likes to scavenger. So I went scavenger. Now, before I show you what I got at Scaventure, I want to show you what I found when I got home, because I got home and I had a pack from Miss Teresa Brady. Now, if you have never seen Teresa's channel, I will link it below, and if you have, and you just haven't subscribed, go over and subscribe to her. She's a nice lady, and she does these sales all the time with Tina from over at Tina's Crafty Life. I'll put her channel down, too. And I was in their sale, and she had these in there, and these are from Imagine. These are called embossing powders. And they come in plastic, but that's okay because I got little jars to put these in today. And this one is Sparkle, brand new, unopened, not opened. This one's called Sparkle. And this one's called Black Hologram. And this one's just Hologram. And then there's this one, which is Gold Glitter. And this one, which is New Year's Eve. And then there's Clear Matte, Iridescent, Opaque, and Sparkling Champagne. And so I got 8 packs of embossing powder for $10. $10, right? So I grabbed those. Now, I'm not big on Sparkle, and I'm not big on embossing powder. However, if it's sparkly and it doesn't come off the paper, I'm okay with it. So I grabbed those. So, what did I get on my Scaventure? Alright, so the first place I went on my Scaventure was the Hobby Lobby. And I went with a purpose. I have this little face guard thing because I'm claustrophobic, severely claustrophobic. So wearing a mask for me, I can only be in the store for like 3 to 5 minutes before I start freaking out in the store. Which means I can't go to a store by myself because if I start freaking out, I run out of the store. I would never buy anything. I'd starve to death. So hubby suggested that we go to the craft store and see if we could find like a piece of acetate or something. And we looked at the acetate, and the acetate was just not flexible enough. So he found this, which is like, you know, that table cover stuff. And it's clear, and it's very flexible. So he's going to take this, and he's going to cut me a new mask for this, because this can't see through because it's very cloudy. And this is very clear, and so, you know, he's going to make me a new mask, because he's a good hubber. So he got that. And then while we were there in the fabric department, I needed to get some new Heat and Bond. And they don't have Heat and Bond. They sell Pellon. And the Pellon, this is the same stuff. You just... you know, you put it on and you iron it on, and then you peel the backing off of it, and then you put it on something else and you iron that on it. And I use this to make my book cloth, and I made a whole bunch of book cloth the other day, and so I was out, so I grabbed 3 yards of that. And, of course, tissue paper to finish my book cloth with. This was 100 sheets, and it was on sale. It was $4.99. It was on sale for 50% off, so it was $2.50. So I grabbed some tissue paper. Now, another thing that I saw that they had on sale was all of their ink. All their ink pads and everything were on sale. And I wanted some new archivals. So I got Thistle, Bluebird, and Cobalt in the archival ink. These are acid-free permanent waterproof inks. So they're just like the Stays-On, but they're half the price. So, and they were 40% off, so they're $5.99. So they were about $3.49 for those. So I grabbed those. And I'm doing a project stamping on canvas. And I have probably 30 or 40 different alphas in, you know, my regular acrylic stamps. But the thing is the acrylic stamps don't really work very well when you're stamping on fabric for some reason. I don't know why, but they don't. So you need woodblock stamps for that. And I have several sets of woodblock alphas, but they're really small. And I tried using like my click letters, And they're okay, except that the click letters, sometimes you can get like a little color on the edges. So I didn't want to use those, and I wanted something a little bigger, and so I got these. And these were $11.49, and I used my 40% off coupon on these. And so I was able to get these much, much less expensive. So I grabbed these, and they're brushed. They're just really pretty. It's a nice text. So I thought I'd grab that. And I was on Michael's last night, and I found these. And these are the classic rubber stamps. And they're just the regular straight block letter alphabet. And, you know, they're just little peg ones that you put the letters on the ends of, and you just stamp with those. And I thought those were cool. So I grabbed those, and I think I paid $8 for those after I used my coupon. So not a bad deal on those either. And then, after I was done visiting all the craft stores in Vegas, because I love to do that to Hubbard. Where are we going? To the craft store. I went to the Savers, because I hit the thrift stores. I only hit Savers today, 2 of them. I didn't hit the Goodwill. I'll do that tomorrow. So the first thing I got at the Savers was these, and these are received of petty cash, or like petty cash receipts for a business. So, you know, you would fill this out if you took money out of petty cash and what it was and blah, 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 and why you took it. And I thought these would be cool in my little sets, you know, with the tickets and the guest checks and, you know, all the altered stuff. So I thought these would be cool in there. So I'm going to be adding these to that. Just thought that was a cool idea. And then I grabbed these. I found a couple of legal-sized pads. One is purple, and the other one is like a mint. And they were 99 cents for the 2 of them. So, you know, and they're brand new pads. And I use these all the time. I rip off a piece of it and put it in one of my journals as a journaling spot. And I use them on the back of my tags and stuff to make journal, you know, for lines for journaling. And they're just cool colors, so I grabbed those. And then I saw this. And this is just, it's from Leisure Arts, and it's just making some fleece throws. And it has, like, a bunch of different designs in here on how to make fleece throws, different designed ones. And some cute little patterns, like a ladybug to make this one. You know, it's cute. And a cuddlebug cutaway blankie kind of thing. You know, it's just a couple of little blankets and stuff and some ideas on how to do them. And just gives me an idea how to do things, different things. And I got a lot of fleece, so I figured we'd try it. Then I found this, and this is from Farmhouse Paper Company. This is called the Market Square Collection, and they're adhesive chipboards. And I'm not familiar with this company, but the designs were stinking cute. So I grabbed that. And then I saw this. You know, I have to dig wherever they put, like, the notepads, notebooks, because that's where they put this stuff. And this one is A4, so it's 8.27 inches. So it's just short of 8.5 and just a little bit longer than 11.5. And it's 6 patterns of paper, 8 sheets of each. So you've got this one, and you have this one. And then there's this one, which is just a lighter version of that one. And then there's this one, which is just a lighter version of that one. And then there's this one. And then there's this one. And this one is just a lighter version of that one. So it's really 3 designs, just in different intensities. But, you know, I grabbed that. I mean, it's Prima, you know, and it's brand new. There's nothing missing out of it. Who's going to pass up on a Prima pad, right? So I grabbed that. I also found some new bins. The big bins that I use for my sales and stuff, and I like to store those on shelves. And when I got home, I had a package from the guy that I buy my ribbons from. He sent me some new ones. I got this one, and this one we had in the shop. We couldn't keep it in. This one didn't last but a day, so I grabbed some more of that. And we had that red rose with the gold, and some people said it was a little over the top, so I got this lighter one. It's like a purple, and there's no gold or anything in it. Very pretty. So I grabbed that one. And then I found this one, and I thought, you know, this is kind of nice. It's like a teal and hot pink, and it's 1 7/8, so it's a pretty wide one. So I grabbed that. And then I grabbed this one, because we had this one in the thinner one like this. So this was all they had, is the 1 7/8 instead of this, the 1 5/8 or whatever it is, 1 3/8. So I got it in the wider one. And then he had this one, and I saw this one, and I just kind of liked it, so I grabbed this one too. Very dark, rich colors in this one, so I grabbed that one. So I got all of those when I got home. And that's it, guys. That's about all I got today. These will be in the shop within the next day or two. You know, I'll be putting those in. And then they'll definitely be in before my sale. And let's see. I will be putting links to Tina's page as well as Teresa Brady's page in the description box below, so you can go and check them out. That's it, guys. That's all I got. That is. That's all I got today. But I am going to go Scaventure tomorrow, so never fail. Never fear, I shall be shopping again. Until I see you again, if you haven't done so already, please hit that red button for me and subscribe, like me, ring my bell, and share me with all your friends. And then they can be my friends, and we can all be friends, and we'll be one big, friendly, happy community. All right, until I see you, stay safe. Bye-bye.